All right, today we got Taco Bell, nacho fries, taco, got the cheese sauce and the grilled cheese burrito. Oh shit, boy. The nacho cheese is literally steaming. Taco Bell never misses, bro. Especially the grilled cheese burrito. Also got some takis on standby. Got the takis in there. Now the Diablo sauce. Nacho fries with the takis. Look how seasoned these takis are. I haven't had takis in so long, bro. I forgot how fucking great these things are. Pepsi Zero is hitting too, man. All right, final bite. We had a lot of taki dust in the bag, so time to hit this plain taco. A good hard shell, don't miss. Look at that, boy. That's gonna hit. Well, that's it because my phone overheated because of the sun on the last part. But man, Taco Bell just never misses on a hard day's work. I got something coming up this week and I think you guys really like. Again, big shout out to God, man, just for letting me be alive today, and just my life in general is just so great. Have a blessed day. Shout out God.